Hey everyone! Sometimes I feel like I can almost predict the future. Just yesterday, I made a video discussing different takes on the initial Nintendo Switch 2 trailer. I wanted to explain some things from a unique perspective. I covered 5 key points that I saw online, mostly from Twitter chatter and a few websites. And guess what? One of the topics I touched on is now sparking a huge conversation. It's funny and a bit ridiculous that this isn't just random Twitter accounts anymore. Big video game websites are now focusing on it. So what's the fuss about? Is the Nintendo Switch 2 too safe? Is it boring? Is it not weird enough for Nintendo? Honestly, that's a bizarre statement, especially when you consider Nintendo's history with their releases and consoles. In my video from yesterday, I mentioned an article from Kotaku saying, "If the Switch 2 is just a better Switch, I'll be disappointed." Really? I mean, if the PlayStation 5 is a better PlayStation 4, is that disappointing? Same goes for Xbox Series X and PlayStation 3 following their predecessors. This mentality just doesn't click with me, especially when something is successful. So is the Nintendo Switch 2 weird enough? Let's delve into Kotaku's take and others. We'll read these articles together and break them down. Kotaku raised a Slack conversation debating the Switch 2 trailer. One comment stood out: "Is this the first time Nintendo has done the slap a 2 on it thing?" As a video game journalist, shouldn't basic history be a given? It's weird, but let's move on. They claim it's indicative of a company unsure of itself. I disagree. It's savvy marketing. Remember the Wii U debacle? Fun names don't equal success or sales. Avoiding a Wii U situation is smart. Kotaku also mentions Nintendo's need to be creative due to the GameCube's struggles. The Super Nintendo, N64, and GameCube weren't weird. Weirdness isn't always a business success. The Wii, though weird, was smart business-wise. So what's the amazing weird idea? Why does it have to be weird? Wearable tech with holograms or bizarre AR twists might fail business-wise. This conversation feels overblown, but let's check another article. Eurogamer asks, if the Switch 2 is the end of innovative Nintendo, what happened to surprising us? People don't realize the context. The Wii was Nintendo's pivot to avoid losing to Xbox 360 and PS3. I'm not bashing anyone, just trying to understand this weird conversation. Without the Wii U, we wouldn't have the Switch. Nintendo's history is full of surprises, and each generation brought new ideas.